Hello guys, today our topic is how long does a mesothelioma lawsuit take? The amount of the time it takes to receive a compensation for the mesothelioma ranges from the months to 1 year or longer. The time frame different largely based on the types of the claim and circumstances of each individual cases. For instance, asbestos companies may offer a climate a settlement. Mesothelioma claim. People file an asbestos claim to receive the compensation after a mesothelioma diagnosis. A mesothelioma or asbestos claim is a legal action that allows patient their loved one to get compensation of the mesothelioma due to asbestos exposure. There are three main types of mesothelioma claim: personal injury lawsuit and wrongful death lawsuit and trust fund claim. Quick fact regarding mesothelioma claim. Claim payout can vary from thousands to millions of dollars. Mesothelioma claim often result in the higher payout than the asbestos diseases. Both asbestos victim and loved one may be eligible for compensation. Type of mesothelioma claim: provide compensation to asbestos victim and loved one. Personal injury claim are filed by patient after a mesothelioma diagnosis. Wrongful death claim are filed by loved one after the patient dies of the mesothelioma. Many companies wrongfully exposed their employee to asbestos. Filing a claim may provide a compensation to cover treatment costs, lost income, and other associated expenses. Individuals diagnosed with other asbestos-related diseases such as lung cancer and asbestosis may also file asbestosis liability claim. Personal injury claim. Personal injury claim are filed by the individual exposed to asbestos who are later diagnosed with a related illness. Claimant filed against the asbestos company responsible for the exposure. If the patient are too ill to file a claim, or a mesothelioma lawyer may be able to file on their behalf. The term asbestos company refers to the company responsible for the wrongful exposure. This includes companies providing the raw asbestos, manufacturer of the asbestos product, or negligent employer. Asbestos victim may sue employee if they were aware of the work site asbestos exposure and did not notify employee to provide them with the protective equipment. In addition to occupational exposure, individual may file of the personal injury claim after developing an illness from the using asbestos product or secondary exposure. Financial assistance from the personal injury claim: help with the medical expenses associated with the diagnosis, treatment, travel, etc. Replaces lost income when the patient can no longer work. Provide financial security for the patient and their family. Wrongful death claim. A wrongful death claim is filed by the family member after a loved one dies from the asbestos related illness. The individual files a claim against the asbestos company to receive financial compensation. Quick fast about asbestos claim after death. Wrongful death claim are filed by the family member because after an asbestos related death, if a patient dies during the legal process, claim will likely be paid by the victim estate. Attorney typically distribute compensation award for claim after death. Wrongful death claim may be paid out in the lump sum or through the several installment. Asbestos attorney can help loved one by to determine if they are eligible to file a mesothelioma claim after the death of the family member. Financial assistance from the wrongful death claim: help out the outstanding medical bills or funeral cost. Replaces lost household income. Provides financial security for the grieving families. Asbestos bankruptcy trust fund claim. An asbestos bankruptcy trust is created during an asbestos company bankruptcy proceeding to pay out the current and future claim. Individuals exposed by the company asbestos negligence can file a claim against the trust to receive compensation. Mesothelioma lawyer will help asbestos victim gather the necessary bankruptcy trust claim on the victim behalf. These claims are then reviewed by the trust fund administration. Claim payout are subject fund payment percentage.